Hey, good morning, everyone. I believe we are up and running live. So, welcome to today's meditation. We are going to continue to focus on quieting our mind. I keep saying focus because I can't wait to get to the next part. But I wanted to do a week of quieting our mind, and before we jump into the next part. And this will help any time of the day with any situation when you can just quiet your mind even for 2 seconds, run to the bathroom, get into that spot for 2 seconds. It's amazing the difference it can make. So I really wanted to focus a whole week on it. So let's get started. We're going to begin with the Lord's Prayer and a prayer of protection. I'm going to take us through very quickly to a quiet place where we're just going to watch the thoughts as we stay in the stream of energy coming from God. When they come, just let them go by and focus your attention, your single attention in that energy that is flowing down. And I'm going to just say something real quick because it occurred to me. Most meditations focus on the energy rising up. I focus on the energy coming in from the divine. Eventually, we'll take it back up, and sometimes we do take it back up in some of our meditations. This one, again, we're not going to be taking it back up. We're just observing and being inside. All right, let's get started. Take a deep breath and close your eyes. As I approach the throne of grace, beauty, and might, I throw about myself the protections found in the thought of the Christ. Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For the kingdom, the power, and the glory are yours now and forever. Amen. Take another deep breath and just release and let go. And as we bring ourselves quietly into our body, bring your attention to the top of your head and to your third eye, between your eyebrows on your forehead. Notice there that stream of energy, that little vibration, that movement. There's something there. That is where the energy comes in from the divine and fills us continuously, unconditionally, love and support. We're going to follow that energy through our body down to our feet. Watch it fill our heads, releasing any blocks, calming and relaxing, moving into our neck, into our chest, filling our arms and our shoulders, dripping out our fingers. It's such an abundance, it just flows and never stops. Through our trunk, relaxing our spine, our back, down our legs, and at our feet. Notice that stream is always there, but our attention is very often on our thoughts. Today, for these few moments, let's bring our attention to that stream of beautiful energy. Kind of step back and actually feel it pouring into your head right now, like you're standing in a waterfall. It's just rushing right through you. And when any thoughts come to you, step back into the waterfall of unconditional love. And let's sit here for a few minutes and enjoy it. Usually here I say bring yourself back into the present, but before we do, let's just send up a prayer of thank you. Because we're all becoming more aware of that constant flow of unconditional love. Let us be grateful for that. And as we pull our consciousness in, and we close with the 23rd Psalm, I want you to be aware that anytime you want, you can step into that stream and be fully conscious of what's going on around you and just be protected and fully engulfed in peace and love. Know that you can do that. As the Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in the path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil. My cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Amen. You guys have a blessed day. I'll see you tomorrow and all next week. Most of next week. We'll be broadcasting from Atlantic City by the bay, my favorite little place. So you guys have a wonderful, great day, and God bless. Bye-bye.